The camera control button is designed to make capturing moments faster and more convenient by giving you one-tap access to camera app and essential settings. The iPhone 16 introduces a brand new camera control button located on the lower right side of the device. This innovative button lets you launch the camera app instantly, take photos or videos with a tap, and adjust settings like zoom, exposure, and depth on the go. Once the camera app is open, you can use the camera control button to snap pictures or start recording videos. To take a photo, just tap the button. To record a video, press and hold the button to start and release it to stop. If the camera app was last used in video mode, a single tap will resume recording. The camera control button gives you quick access to essential settings like exposure, adjust brightness level, depth, control background blur in portrait mode, zoom in or out smoothly, cameras, switch between wide, ultra wide, or telephoto lenses, tone and style, customize colors, contrast, and mood. To access these settings, open the camera app by pressing the camera control button. Slightly double tap the button to bring up the setting overlay. Swipe your fingers on the camera control to scroll through the options and press lightly to select one. Adjust the settings by sliding your finger on the button and tap once more to confirm. The camera control button is fully customizable. Adjust sensitivity of the light press. Open settings, go to accessibility, tap camera control and choose lighter, default or firmer. Disable the light press gesture. Turn off clean preview. Go to settings, select camera, tap camera control and toggle off clean preview. Change the camera control launch gesture. Select double click under launch camera. Assign a different app to camera control. Choose your desired app. Let's select Instagram. Now, just click on the camera control button and it will automatically open Instagram. Disable the camera control button entirely. Go to accessibility, tap camera control and toggle off the camera control slider. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.